Hello everyone, I am Catherine. Today I'm going to share some basic ICT terminologies and computer literacy skills, and I will cover some contents which are essential parts of computers, what is hardware, types of computers, and some examples of applications. So for the first one, hardware. So hardware refers to the physical component of a computer system, and it consists of devices and equipment to perform tasks. So here are some key components of hardware: CPU, central processing unit, and memories, RAM, storage, and input and output devices. So for the first, types of main memory. There are two main types of memories which are directly accessible by the CPU. The first one is RAM, random access memory. So RAM is a volatile memory. It means data loses when the computer is turned off, and if or it can access data and store the data, and then it have a quick access to data and informations, and it's available in small capacity starting at 1 gigabyte and reaching up to 256 gigabyte. Another one is ROM, read-only memories. So ROM is a non-volatile memory, means data retains even when the computer is turned off, and it is used for storing permanent instructions that are required for boot up, and only has a capacity of a few megabytes. So another one is the secondary memory. So since main memories are limited, secondary memory is necessary for the longer term storage of files and data, and they are also non-volatile, and it can retain data and much higher capacity than the main memory, and storage uh, can store large quantities of files. Here are some examples: hard disk, drive HDD, solid state disk SSD, and optical drives disk, and cloud storage. So as an example, I will show you. Let's explore how to check RAM and hard drive capacity in our computer. So firstly, you have to press Ctrl Shift and Escape from your keyboard, and then you will see the task manager, and then you have to click the performance here, and then you will see the memory and disk and so on. So for the RAM, click the memory, and then you will see the details, usage, and available space. And then for the hard drive, click the disk, and then you will see whether disk is SSD or HDD. Here is the SSD, and then you can see the data, available space, and then usage, detail usage. So let's go back to the content. Okay, another one is the cloud storage. So cloud storage is a cloud computing model, and it's also called as a server, which can store and access and share files securely, and it is a modern way to store files remotely, and data is stored on a solid state disk SSD in a remote computer accessible over the internet. So here is the great example for cloud storage, which is Google Drive. So Google Drive is a cloud-based storage service, and we can store and access files online from any device. And to use Google Drive, you must create or sign in to a Google account. And also, Google also offers 50 gigabytes of storage for free, and you have option to expand it. So let's see as an example how to upload files and store files in the Google Drive. So first you have to open the web browser, and then you have to type drive.google.com. And then you will see your drive. Here I already have a drive, Google Drive account. So to upload your file, to store your file, you have to click the new, and then you will see the file upload. And then click the file upload, and then choose the file document that you want to upload to your drive. So I will upload here. I have one file here, and then I will open it. You can click open, and then you will see there is the starting uploading to your drive. Okay, now you can see there is the one upload completed. So you can store your files on the Google Drive. Okay, and then let's go back. Yes, and then I would want to summarize today sharing. So hardware components like RAM, HDD, and SSD are essential for performance. And then cloud storage also allows access to files anywhere. And Google Drive is widely used for personal and professionals, that making it easier to share and collaborate on documents. So here is the references for my sharings, and thank you so much for your listening.